Some verbs and adjectives like to bring a little helper with them, a preposition. And together, their meaning can totally change. For example, take the verb fall. If we add out, we get a very different idea than if we add off. Listen to these. I hope we don't fall out just because we disagree on this. Here, fall out means to have an argument and stop being friendly. Be careful. The paint is starting to fall off the walls. In this sentence, fall off means to drop, or come loose from something. You see? Same verb, different preposition. Completely different meaning. Now, let's do some practice. Ready?
Prepositions show us where to go, under the bed or to the show. They whisper softly where we stand, on a moor or on the sand. In the park by the bay, good above or on the way. Through the door around the tree, prepositions set us free. Prepositions, the way we go. They tell us if we're sailing high across the sea beneath the sky. Behind the curtain next to you, prepositions guide us through. In the park by the bay, through the above or on the way. Through the door around the tree, prepositions. Prepositions show us where to go, under the bed or to the show.